Hey guys, this is Jindřich from Czech DC9 project. I have another instrument that is connected to the Cool Sky DC9er, which you can see on this screen. And today I'll show you the horizon or the flight director indicator, which is here at my table. And I will tell you what is connected and what is not connected. Today, because I'm waiting for a PCB, for custom PCB that are designed to control the motors, I only can connect via the H-bridges and the prototype board only one of the 6 motors. Which one is used for the roll, one is used for pitch, one is used for V-bar pitch, and one is used for V-bar roll, and one is used for the runway symbol that goes up and down here, and the localizer left right. So that's 6 motors, and I can only connect one at the same time at this precise moment. I have also all these 5 flags connected, and the glide slope needle, which is now at its top. That is not correct. It should be in the middle, as you see the instrument is not powered up. This is the different version. That's the 108 version in the Cool Sky DC9er, and this is the 109 version. So for example, there is a computer flag here. I connected it into the steer, and there is no runway right here. So these two, the runway and the glide slope, are connected together because we don't have that logic in the Cool Sky. And okay, so I will turn the power off. The engines are started, but the left and right buses of the engine generators are off, so I will now turn the power. You can see the flags disappeared, and let's rock and roll. Only roll today, but okay, the aircraft is ready for takeoff, so I will perform a takeoff.
Parking brake released.
Let's go.
Knots.
Checked.
Positive rate of climb, gear up.
Okay, so
You're up,
now I turned the autopilot on, and it will control my indicator airspeed, and yeah, it's a little bit more here, but it needs to be fixed. It's the same as here, it's also a little bit to the right. And let's start a turn, so I'm turning right now. And you can see the instrument is following the Cool Sky DC9er instrument. That's a 30 degrees turn. I'll turn to the left, so it should go back and should go to 30 degrees left turn. It's 0 now. So it's a delay between the flight sim and the actual gauge is very, very small. It's in about 2 degrees maximum. And okay, let's put it back to straight flight. And what I'll do now is I will close these panel and so that you have reference between the instrument and the actual horizon. So let's say I turned the heading knob on right now, and you can see the instrument is following the simulator. I'll turn completely left now to 30 degrees standard turn. And back to the right completely. So you see it's following the sim pretty well. And okay guys, that's what I wanted to show you today. So the horizon on its roll axis is what you see right now. If I have time, I will connect the pitch axis, and so that the roll will stay and the pitch will go up and down. So guys, that's it for today, and see you next time. Bye bye.